Hi everyone, due to some circumstances, I'm going to be the voice in today's video. Thanks for your understanding. Morbidelli M100. Modern technologies allow us to solve even the most complicated tasks when processing wood and other materials in just a couple of clicks. Here's a CNC machine for drilling and milling. According to the manufacturer, this is the only machine of its kind on the market with an incomparable quality-price ratio. Its software is called Suite Maestro and has specialized modules for each production cycle. A great deal of attention was paid to space optimization during its design. There are no perimeter fences, so you can access the work area from any side. Interestingly, with the Morbidelli M100, it is possible to process not only wood, but also plastic, for example. The machine expands the production possibilities and can be adjusted to the needs of different companies. For example, it can be used to process a panel, or an element of furniture, a kitchen, and even a window. The machine can work with parts from 180 to 250 millimeters wide. Frontier OS 27. Sawmills like the one you see on screen are capable of processing really large round timbers thanks to their stationary design. Frontier OS 27 is designed for cutting hard and soft wood. The equipment can handle logs with a diameter of up to 69 centimeters. At the same time, the maximum width of the board after processing is 56 centimeters. Frontier OS 27 is designed by specialists from the American company Norwood, one of the leaders in the field of innovative mobile sawmills. The advantages of this machine include time saving. With the Frontier OS 27, the specialist will need much less time to cut into logs than with other similar equipment. Blue Elephant machines. On an industrial scale, CNC software machines like this are used to process wood and apply various patterns and designs to the surface. This equipment, developed by the Chinese company Blue Elephant, is powerful enough to work with different types of materials. Thus, the machine can be used to process wood, panels, acrylic, organic glass, MDF, plastic, copper, and even aluminum. The use of such equipment is relevant for companies engaged in production of doors, windows, various furniture such as tables and chairs, as well as musical instruments. The 2140 ATC model is a drilling machine with a large working area, which increases the efficiency of work. The manufacturer emphasizes the wide range of engraving possibilities which are achieved thanks to replaceable knives. The ELE CNC 6090 is a CNC engraving machine designed for small businesses where space is limited. It is ideal for making classic and antique furniture, wood carving, and souvenirs such as boxes and decorative sculptures. Also, with its help, it is possible to make branded plates, badges, logos, and billboards. CNC machines. Machines that have been equipped with numerical control are increasingly in demand in factories around the world. They allow you to process wood, plastic, and metals quickly, efficiently, and most importantly, with minimal human intervention, which ensures a higher level of safety. The video shows how a sculpture is made with a CNC machine. A few decades ago, such work could only be done by a sculptor. He would have to spend a few hours performing precise, meticulous processing. Today, modern technologies have developed to such a level that they can produce sculptures of any size and complexity. First, the appearance of the product is designed in the program. The virtual model sets the trajectory of the milling cutter. Then the machine starts to work and the manufacturer decides from what material the finished sculpture will be. The only thing to keep in mind is that the cutting tool itself must correspond to the hardness of the material to be processed. VST 101. This is a CNC turning and milling machine. Its main feature is the automatic change of cutting modes. This design allows you to minimize the time you need to change the tool settings. Thus, a company can produce complex parts with high productivity and repeatability. The VST 101 is designed for the manufacture of both large and small parts. Guides by Taiwanese company Hiwin provide high precision, high load capacity, low friction, smooth running, and low noise. The rugged design ensures a long service life with high precision movements as well as high speed movement with low traction. Note the 30mm thick MDF sheet work table. When processing non-metallic materials, it offers many advantages. For example, a workpiece can be attached directly to the table material using screws. If the surface is damaged or has accidental cuts, the table surface can be leveled. And when there's nothing to level, the table can be easily and quickly replaced. WEN 3920. When designing this two-direction scroll saw, WEN specialists were apparently inspired by a sewing machine. Indeed, anyone who is familiar with the way it works will be able to handle this saw. It has a unique design and the blade can move in two directions, thus achieving the best throughput. The work can be done from any angle. The cutting speed is adjustable and the blade can make between 400 and 1600 cuts per minute. It is noteworthy that the WEN 3920 can be used to make an angle cuts and the work table can be tilted at an angle of up to 45 degrees. The machine is compact in size, so do not expect enormous power from it. Nevertheless, it easily copes with up to 5 cm thick wood. The advantages include a solid, durable iron base, a lamp, an air pump, and several blades. Thus, with the help of the WEN 3920, it is possible to create products of various, even complex and intricate shapes quickly and safely.
Hey, stop being lazy, it's time to use that brain of yours. Welcome to Brain Time. Incredible facts from the past, the present, and even the future. The power of nature and wild animals, amazing facts and unsolved mysteries. You'll find all this and much more here. Subscribe now, you won't regret it.